Hello everyone, let me start the maths period for class 7th at chapter 2 exercise 2.1. Here I am doing the same parallel question according to the previous class that I did about the denominator. But today I am going to do the same relative question with the numerator. The question is question number 10. Write 5 upon 9 with the numerator equal to C. In your last class I have learnt you that how you equalize your denominator with the given number, but here I'm learnt you that how you change your numerator of the given fraction according to the given number. Here the A part is 25. So your fraction is 5 upon 9. So convert the numerator according to the given number. The given number is 25. So convert the given fraction. Now we are going to work on the numerator. So in the table of 5, on which the 25 has come? On 5. So 5 the 25. But one thing is, remember always, if you multiply with any number in the numerator, the same number will be multiplied in the denominator also. This is a rule to find out the same number in case of any fraction has given. Okay, now the final answer is 25 upon 35. Here the numerator will same as the given number, no matter the denominator will be matched or not. Understand that? The next question is D part, that is 1000. So you have to make the 1000 according to the fraction that is given. The fraction is given is 5 upon 9. Now you have to convert the numerator according to the given number, that is 1000. So which number has to be multiplied with the number 5 so that it will become the 1000? It is 200, right? 200. So when you multiply 200 in the numerator, you have to be multiply 200 in the denominator. So the final answer is 1000 upon 1800. So the numerator is same as the given number, so it is your answer. Remember, I am doing here only two parts, A and D. There are more parts relating to the same question. In your homework you have to do the all parts with the question. Don't do only two parts that I do here. Remember. Next question, very simple question. Express the following rational numbers in standard form, same as the question that we did in the last class. The lowest form, same as it is said to be standard form, shortcut form, cutting. All the questions are relating to only cutting with the numerator and the denominator. So here the question is 172 upon 194. So firstly I do cutting with the table of 2. 2 8 the 16, 2 6 the 12, 2 9 the 18, 2 7 the 14. Have there more cutting? No, I don't think so that there is a more cutting. No. So final answer is minus 86 upon 97. Okay, this is the final answer. Only you have to do cutting in this question. Now the next question is minus 328 upon 800. So do the cutting. I do cutting with the table of 8 here. So 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 00. So the final answer is 41 upon 100. Simple. Same question that we have did in the last class, but their first question is relating to the numerator instead of denominator, and the 12th question is same as converting to lowest form. Means you have to do cutting with the numerator and denominator whereas possible and give the answer. So do the question will all parts. I am doing here only two parts, but you have to do all parts in your homework and send to me. I have checked and give you remarks. Thank you.